Hey guys, Blake Fitzpatrick here, owner of Sunshine Movers. Today we're out here in Punta Gorda at a home. As you can see behind me and above me, the ceiling is ripped off. This is the aftermath of Hurricane Ian. This is a home that is right on the water, 7,500 square foot. I'm actually on the second floor right now. I've got a crew of 7 on the bottom floor below me, along with some guys from the restoration company. We're working hand in hand. As you can see, pretty extensive damage, and this is just one of many areas of the home that are pretty bad. But what we're doing today, we're packing and wrapping everything that's salvageable. We're going through and helping locate items that are salvageable. If they've got water damage, if they've got moisture in them, they can't go to storage, unfortunately. But I'll just do a little walk around here.
Just push it back forward towards the stuff and usually what